Is it hanging?
Or is it banging?
So my name is Tom.
I'm Dexter.
And we are part of the hanging and hanging
Hanging or banging?
Yeah, right. And unfortunately, we have another person to join us, but unfortunately, he can't
Unfortunately. You mean fortunately, Tom.
Correct,
round, buddy.
He can't be here.
Put the camera to that fire engine.
As you can see, we saw a fire engine and we were obsessed. Fire engine
Incident thing.
Yes.
Tom got excited.
We have got
Four
items of our choice, isn't it?
Yes.
So we are going to try them and we will show you right now. Hope you enjoy. Hello and welcome back. We've obviously got our stuff here. So this is our actually first video, isn't it?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. So what should we try out first? I'm gonna try out these Doritos.
I think I might try the
and then we have to swap, okay? Yeah. These are our snacks that we had in the first part.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That smells so nice. I don't know if you can see it, but that is beautiful.
Nice sniff. Oh!
Sit down. Right. I know that. No, literally, we again ripped off. I'm telling you now.
Where's the rest of it?
It is like up to there. That's bad.
No.
So, right. What I do, I know this is so weird. I'm going to lick it.
Okay. You do that then. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's actually... Oh my god, that's actually...
It's already dying.
I'm really used to these. This one has actually got me.
Tom is a big fan.
Drink that. I would take it if I was.
Right, you have go.
What?
No, I've done.
You ain't even opened them yet.
Right, so I'm gonna put this up here. Right.
Apparently there was also a blue one in my pack.
Oh, there's a blue one, red one, green one, and yellow one. Are these I think they're sour.
No,
I didn't see that.
no, Dexter, those aren't the sour ones.
Right.
The sour ones are
Right, so
in a purple packet.
Oh, you can hear the crunch, can you?
mm.
I'm gonna have another one. Should we swap? Oh my god.
Oh, I got one with loads of spice. Yeah. And here goes. I dropped it. Oh!
Mess up.
Those are freaking hot.
That's why you have to rotate your fingers.
Show your fingers.
Bro, look at his
Yeah.
Look at his fingers.
Yeah, just like an orange Smith.
Oh, that was so childish.
Oh, I was talking 6 all over. Poor thing, because you did have to drink, didn't you?
Oh my god, those are actually sour.
Yeah.
They are. Those aren't even the sour ones.
So I'm going to be trying the mini Oreos.
Do you want to go first? And I'm going to be trying these pepperoo. They're like
Pocky sticks, because I think that's what they are.
Pocky sticks. Okay. I've actually tried these before.
Yeah, same.
Ooh, I actually don't like that.
Right, for the smell, I think I'm going to have to say these are hanging. Yeah.
Hanging or banging?
Banging.
Oh, banging.
Banging. You probably
Banging. Anyway, but for the smell, I think these are absolutely hanging. The smell. The smell of these, banging.
Yeah.
Hanging.
You know that like strawberry, like dried up strawberry type smell? Do they taste nice? Dun dun dun. These are our snacks that we tried.
It tastes like Normal Oreo. Actually, no.
Guys, you people on YouTube, I am doing this for you. All right, I'm doing this for you. Yes, for you, sitting on the sofa or bed or whatever you're doing. I'm actually gonna be sick if I eat another one of them. If not if I eat, if I smell.
Oh, those are disgusting. Tom.
Oh,
Get out of the shop.
I hate those. I hate them. Oh,
Tom.
I actually hate those.
I know, like,
Oh, I can smell
Tommy, big shout out to him.
Yeah,
He can
big
actually
shout
smell
out.
them from there. That's
Big
how
shout
bad
out.
they are. Right,
Tommy's
let's
the
try
best.
these.
I think I'm going all lightheaded.
Right,
I
let's
know.
open these.
There's like a kick in your throat.
Oh, what
Oh,
the
you
hell?
look so
I'm
packed
tearing
on.
up from how bad that smells.
Wait,
Right, let's try
I'll
this.
take one of these as
Yeah.
well. Look like a little kebab.
Those look like
Yeah,
banging.
like
Right,
Those look banging.
3, 2, 1.
we're not litterers. Tastes really milky.
Yeah, a bit like
Oreo.
Ooh, those are banging.
Mm.
Banging.
Right, that is our video. We really hope you did enjoy it. Please make sure to smash the like button.
And subscribe.
And obviously,
Make that red subscribe button great. Now they updated on YouTube since I don't
yeah, make that whatever he said.
know.